Morning, everybody. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Morning didn't go off to a good start. Woke up with a raging sinus headache, which thankfully it's going away. Thank God. But I think it's the weather. Just now, it's a little bit warmer, but it's like a misty, rainy, crappy day. So, I apologize for my all natural appearance right now. But I am about to make a smoothie. I'm going to try to get back on that kick again. And I also put, I'm not sure if you can see, lemons in my water. At least get that going again. It's supposed to help detox. And I need a detox. But I think what I'm going to do with the smoothie, I'm not sure which fruit I'm going to use. I either have frozen strawberries or frozen blueberries. Or maybe both. But I bought something pretty neat. I didn't buy like a protein powder, but I did get yogurt with a higher content of protein. At least it has some like thickness to it. I believe it's at Siggi's. I think that's how it's pronounced, Siggi's. But it has like 24 or 25 grams of protein per cup. So I'm going to put that in there along with some like almond milk. But I bought this because I've been on like a chocolate kick for some odd reason. I don't know why. I like chocolate, but if I have a lot of it, it makes me sick to my stomach. But for some reason, I'm on a chocolate kick. But I bought this natural cacao powder, which is high in antioxidants. So, hey, that's a plus. So I'm going to mix that all together. And I did buy some spinach to get some greens in at least. So I'm going to whip that together. And we'll see how it tastes. Alright, taste test time. No, I'm kidding. It actually really is good. It's a little tart. I could use like a little sweetener in it, but I could deal with this. But it really is good. I might be onto something. Hey, if it's rich in antioxidants and it tastes like chocolate, hey, why not? So I'm going to go and enjoy my shake. And later on, after I get cleaned up around here, I'm already doing a load of laundry. I'm going to meet with my aunt to go to Scranton to, it's like a little, like, I guess like an odds and ends shop. But they're having a little stocking stuffer sale. So maybe I could pick up a few little things for Christmas while I'm at it. Hang out with my aunt for a little bit. And I'll take you guys along with us. Well, I am dressed and ready to go. And just learned something. I should have learned this a long time ago. If you're going to upload something, like I did the weekly vlog today, make sure it did the whole thing and not half of it. Yeah, I did an upload, my normal upload every Sunday at 10 o'clock in the morning. And I went to check on it because I forgot to do like the end screen with the click on this video and that video. It's a good thing I did. Because this week's vlog was, I think it was like 37 minutes long. And I looked, it was like 12 minutes. Like, that's not right. For some reason, it stopped uploading like at half. Instead, it was successfully uploaded. So, yeah, I took the video down. So I'm re-uploading it as we speak. So, hopefully by the time I get back, or I'll check at it. I have an app, because I marked it as private when it uploads. I'll check on it, make sure it did take it for the full 37 minutes and not 12 minutes and 36 seconds. I don't know why it did that, but hopefully it's not a glitch with the upload when I rendered it the other day. So, we'll check it on it later. But for now, I gotta go. I'll catch you guys in a bit. noodles too. Making some lasagna, the filling of course, and we got the noodles, and the meat and the sauce is over there. Just in the mood for some comfort food, so should be ready within an hour. Alright, my hair's nasty. I don't care. It's about 9:30 tonight. Just to recap, had a nice day shopping with my aunt. Got a couple of little gifts from that little store that I showed. Then I ran to Del Mar Candy Kitchen, got some Swedish fish, chocolate covered Swedish fish, and chocolate covered potato chips. They are a must. Not for my waist, but they're a must. And then I ran to, I had to go back to Wegmans. I ended up buying dog food that was not the right kind. right kind, wrong type of breed. I ended up getting the small, was it small toy breed or something? It was kind of weird. It was like, that ain't gonna work for Tucker. See the size of them? So I ended up having to return that anyway, so it was a good thing I had to run down Scranton again anyway. Then came home, made lasagna, had that, relaxed, watched a couple more cruise videos because we could never get enough of it. But that's pretty much it. I kind of hope to a little bit do more decorating today, kind of finish that up, but just kind of tired after running around today. But there's always tomorrow because I'm off tomorrow. Alright, so here's our cruise tip for today for Vlogmas day number 3. Something that we always do if we don't get the Cheers package. Maybe sometimes, I think we actually did order water once on when we had Cheers, but well, that's a pro tip. We always order water before we board. For one thing, it's cheaper, and number 2, you can't bring your own water on board anymore anyway, and you don't have to worry about trying to lug it around because you can't bring it on board anyway. But it's an ease of mind. It's roughly, I think it's $4.99 for a 12-pack now, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong. Just going off the top of my head right now. I know when we first started cruising, it was, I believe, $2.99 for a 12-pack, and I know it more than doubled its in price. But still, it's just ease of mind. It's still cheaper than you buy, even here, a package of bottled water. Blah, blah. I had trouble talking this week. A package of bottled water, that's still cheaper than what's here in our town. So that's our cruise tip. pre-order your water. It'll be in your stateroom when you first get there, and you're all set. Plus, if you're gold, like we are, working on the platinum, if you're gold, you actually get a 1 liter bottle per gold member in your stateroom too. So that's another benefit. So you have your 12 pack plus your 1 liter bottle, which are those big bottles, which normally say for like $3.50 on in your stateroom. They have that little tag on that's for $3.50. So hey, it's another small tip, but it may be beneficial for somebody else. But like as always, if you like this kind of content, give it a big old thumbs up and join our Facebook community. Links are all down below. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. And I guess we'll see you guys tomorrow. Night, guys.